So what are you doing today, Tyler?
How are you going down Skidoo Road?
Won't start. It's firing. Got gas. Typical Polaris, I suppose. Dumping it right in, dipping spark plugs in the gas.
Yep. Where's that spark plug on? What was Skidoo is it?
Tool's right behind you. Spark plug security. No. I need a bigger toolbox. It wouldn't be in anywhere else with the power.
Sure.
What is it? 5/8?
I don't know.
Never mind. It's gonna be a smaller one than normal. What?
Actually, bigger than normal.
Here. That too. That's the real one. I think my dad's home. $19.90 Polaris 340 Sprint. 4,260.